Hello friends, welcome to my channel EduKids World. In this video I will be giving you some formal words that can be replaced by some informal words. Starting with the first one, carry on, which is an informal word, and its formal word that we can say is continue. So continue is though a synonym for carry on, but it can be used when it comes to topic like sustain, support, or proceed. An example to support this is he would continue until he was satisfied. There are synonyms also, which is go on, endure, persist. Next one is find out, and its formal word is discover. Discover means to find or learn something for the first time, whereas find out means that you encounter or discover something by accident. A sentence for discover can be she woke up in the morning to discover she was alone. And some other synonyms that we can use for discover are disclose, observe, and notice. Third one is look at, and a better way to say it is examine. She began to examine the wound, or we can also say she continued to examine the articles. The synonyms for examine can be analyze, observe. The next one is look into, and a formal word to say this is investigate. He gave orders to investigate the matter. Some of the synonyms it can be probe, explore, inspect, or scrutinize. So over here you will see look at and look into. So what is the difference between the two? Look at suggests that you already know what your options are and you will review them, whereas look into suggests that you first need to investigate what those options might be. Right? Going to the next one, show up. For a better way to say this is arrive. We expect visitors to arrive soon. We don't say visitors to show up soon. And a synonym could be come or reach. Next is call off, and a better way to say this is cancel. So call off is more casual. You normally say you can cancel an order at a restaurant, but you would not say call off the order. Some of the synonyms can be erase, repeal, obliterate, wipe out. Next is mix up, and instead of this we can say confuse. It would only confuse the issues further, right? So we don't say mix up the issues further, we say confuse. Or other words could be complicate, jumble. Next one is leave out. So a better way to say this in formal way is omit. So we can say this in form of a sentence like I'll not wish to omit this valuable book from my reading. Or we can also use this under this head we must not omit to mention section A. Right? Some of the synonyms for omit can be exclude, leave out, or miss. Next is turn down, and a formal way to refuse. Refuse means to decline, whereas turn down on the other hand means to refuse, decline, or deny. A sentence could be I refuse to believe this is the way things were meant to be. Synonyms could be rebuff, decline, or we can also say reject. Next is give up, and its formal way of saying is surrender. The key difference between the two is more with respect to the control. When you give up, you are choosing to expend no further energy against whatever resistance you are facing. Right? Whereas in contrast, when you say surrender, so you are not only giving up, but also you are ceding your power of your actions to someone else. So basically you are transferring your power to someone else. The terrorists were given 10 minutes to surrender. A synonym could be forego, relinquish, renounce, or we can also say capitulate. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, Educates World.